Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Camtasia video editing software. And in this video, I will show you on how to scale in or scale out your video clip in timeline on your Camtasia video editing software. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do, let's say for instance, I want to import this particular video into the timeline. So what I'm going to do is to right click on the video. Then I will go ahead and click on Add to Timeline at Play Air. So in a few seconds, it's going to add to the timeline right here. Now, how do you scale in or scale out of your video project so it full the entire canvas size of your project settings? So for that, come to the top right here where you have scale. You can decide to scale out. The more you drag, the more the video is going to scale out, just like what you see right here. If you decide to scale in, then what you want to do is to scale in right here. The more you scale in, the more it reduces. However, you can decide to set the project size. So come to the top right here and type in a certain figure. Let's say for instance I want to make this 150 size scale out. So I'm going to press enter key on my keyboard. Then we have it right here. You can go on and adjust as many as possible. This is depends on exactly what you are looking at. It's that simple. So you can adjust your clip right here and then use your arrow key, downward or upward arrow key to adjust your clip. As far as Camtasia video editing software, it's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to edit your video using Camtasia video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.